Hi, welcome to Art 3 Honors with Miss Sudcamp, me. All right, welcome. We will be doing a range of projects in this class, and let me tell you a little bit about it. So, the projects. In this class, students will be learning visual art techniques, history, and learning about artists from all around the world. Students will be creating pieces and reflecting on them and about all of their work on their digital portfolio. So, what materials do they need for class? All right, so materials for Art 3 are going to be the most important is a sketchbook. We use this, a couple times a week at least, 3 times, 4 times maybe. This is for any homework assignments, small assignments. They can use a sketchbook from a previous class, uh, and we will use a good chunk of it. They will need a paintbrush set. So something that is good for watercolor, oil, and acrylic, it should say on the package. They want a variety of brushes. I have a few available, but not very many. They really just don't hold up as well. So each student should have their own set of brushes that they can keep in their cubby space. They also need at least two 9 by 12 canvases or larger than that. You can find these at Walmart, Michael's, Amazon. They will need a glass jar with a lid. So this could be a pasta jar, this could be a mason jar, um, dollar store jar, whatever they need. Something like that seals really well because we will be working with oils and we will need to keep the turpentine and everything contained so they can clean out their brush. All right, some suggested optional materials for this class are going to be artist quality color pencils. So these are a very good color pencil that has a wax finish. Like Prismacolor is an amazing brand. They have an artist line and they also have a studio line. So like something that's for student grade. There are coupon links, Amazon. There's a huge range of them, but definitely artist quality. Oil paint set, I do have some oil paints available, but a lot of students fall in love with this medium and they might want to pursue it further or to have specific colors because I primarily have the primaries. Or gouache paint. I do not have any here, but gouache paint is an amazing paint that's kind of like a mix between watercolor and acrylics. And a lot of students really like it. If they want to use this for their project, they can. This is an optional material. All right, so how do I grade things? So, projects are 50%, sketchbooks are 30%, reflection and digital portfolio grades are 20%. And so, a project will have the project itself and then the digital portfolio, which is a separate grade. That's at 20%. Digital portfolio. So, students will find the work on the Google Classroom. They will create their art, photograph their work, create a post about it with the questions and answers, and then they're going to turn them back in on Google Classroom. So, Google Classroom, I have one for each of the classes, and this is how they're going to turn in all of their assignments. They also should have access to anything that they are missing if they're absent one day. So the best way to contact me is going to be for Art 3 is remind at Art 3 Apex. If you want to join, you will be able to join that code with that code. And my email, wcpss.net. And I have a couple wish list items. Band-Aids, always needed. We need Band-Aids. Cleaning wipes, large smocks, shirts, aprons, because we tend to get messy in here. Paintbrushes would be incredible. Command hooks would be wonderful. And yeah, you can always just send those things in. Thank you so much.